How many of you have done mistakes? Everyone, right? That's obvious. But how many of you have overcome it? Now the answer is not everyone. You must have thought, why are you not able to overcome it? The reason, I'll tell you. You didn't overcome it because you failed to be happy again. You failed to research that mistake. You failed to listen to your own self. You failed to accept yourself with it. After knowing any of our mistake, we all feel guilty, and that is required. But some are too much guilty, and now that is not required. You put yourself that much down that any other person will just randomly taunt you or without knowing anything tell you to stop. You'll think that person is right and you'll stop. Instead of listening to your own inner voice, you listen to that random person's voice. That clearly means that you are lost. But now, there's only one way to come out of it, and that is accept yourself as you are. Many in the world have this problem. They never accept themselves. But why? There is no need to feel bad about any of the thing you have done. The time once passed never returns, and the things once done never changes. So stop blaming yourself or others for that thing. Just accept it. If you want to be successful, you need to accept yourself first. Because those who can't accept themselves, how will they be able to accept others? That is their colleagues, partners, friends, or many more. So the first thing you'll do is accept yourself. Many of you would have a question. How to do that? It is tough. So today I am going to share 5 steps to accept yourself. Step 1. Forgive yourself. The first step in developing self-acceptance is showing compassion to yourself. Understand that you did the best you could at that time. Acknowledge that you can no longer change your past failures and mistakes, and then move on. It may be helpful to think of your past self as a different person, and that you can only change what you can control right now, which is your present self. Take complete ownership of all your past mistakes and failures and forgive yourself. Step 2. Practice mindfulness. Much of our negative self-talk happens in our subconsciousness, which means that we are not even aware of when we reject ourselves. Take some time to listen to your thoughts and feelings. Do you get anxious when you think about a particular area of your life? Which parts of yourself are you ashamed of? Which parts do you try to avoid thinking about? These are difficult questions, but answering them will open your eyes to which parts of yourself or your life you find most difficult to accept. It may be helpful to write it in a diary and keep a track of how you feel throughout the day. You'll realize your thought patterns that stop you from accepting yourself. While doing this exercise, do not forget to practice self-compassion. Remember, the goal of this exercise is not judging yourself, but rather helping yourself. Step 3. Welcome your feelings, both good and bad. Exploring parts of yourself that you find difficult will understandably bring up a lot of negative feelings. Whenever you experience these feelings, your first instinct is to push them away. Similar to how nervous system actively avoids physical pain, your mind works the same way by avoiding mental and emotional pain. But to accept yourself, you must confront those negative or positive feelings. You'll surely try to escape, but instead explore that feelings with a sense of curiosity. Pretend that you are your own best friend. Allow yourself to feel those and then ask what you can learn from this. Let every good and bad feeling come in your mind. Step 4. Forget being perfect. As human beings, we unavoidably make mistakes and develop flaws. Many of you would try to deny those flaws, and you may end up living an inauthentic life because you have fear of failure. Understanding that your imperfection makes you unique and that failure is a part of your life will help you to accept yourself, be happy, and live an authentic life. Because no one in this world is made perfect. Step 5. Stop comparing yourself. One reason why developing self acceptance is so challenging is because we constantly compare ourselves to others. Especially when it comes to kids, the elders compare them with others for every single thing. Like you got less marks compared to your friend. This makes it impossible for them to accept themselves. Remember that true self acceptance is unconditional. It does not depend on your success compared to your peers. Your life is uniquely your own, and because of that, it will always be valuable to you. You are enough capable to do what you can. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that bell notification to get notified with our every new video.